What's up, y'all? It's your girl Ronda B back with another video, and today I'm kicking off my Vlogmas with, of course, putting up my infamous sunflower Christmas tree. I saw this idea, I believe, on IG, or it may have been Pinterest, but I fell in love with it. So I'm going to attempt to make my very own sunflower Christmas tree. So everything I purchase either from Dollar Tree, Family Dollars, or Hobby Lobby. So I'm not going to do a lot of talking in this video. Or make sure you subscribe to my channel and also click that notification button. Other than that, let's get right into the video. Jingle bell, Okay, y'all, so I just completed my sunflower tree, Christmas tree, and I ran out of gold ribbon, so I'm going to run to the store tomorrow to grab some more, which I got the gold ribbon from Family Dollars. So yeah, I ran out of that ribbon, but otherwise than that, y'all, I love my tree. Like, I love everything about it. Yes. And what I used down here was a blanket, a throw blanket that I purchased at Walmart. I believe it was between $8 to $10. I got it maybe like a month ago. But yeah, I purchased this blanket at Walmart. So I have not had the time to purchase a skirt to go under the Christmas tree. But luckily, I had the blanket. But I have some gray, shiny, silver ornament balls. I have gold, I have red. And my sunflowers is actually what I've used from my flower arrangement that I made in the fall. So I just use those sunflowers. I cut them up, and yeah, yo, I am the crafty queen, honey. I just love winging these ideas. Once I see something and I know I want to do it, I just wing it and tweak it the way Rhonda B wants it, and we all see the outcome once I do it. Give me a thumbs up if you love my sunflower Christmas tree idea. I still have a little bit of tweaking to do to it, and I'll update you all later on throughout my Vlogmas on the updates that I decide to do to my tree. Otherwise than that, y'all, yeah, give me a thumbs up. Make sure if you're not already subscribed to my channel, click the red button now, like I mentioned before. Also follow me on all my social media platforms, which is down below in the description box. And I'll see you all in my next Vlogmas video.